folks, Aaron here. I've got number 668 ready. This is an Alto ukulele, and it's made of spruce and curly maple. It was a really fun project because the customer didn't want any binding or anything on it. So it's got a simple look, but you know, it's still got to look cool. The curly maple comes from a amateur violin maker, and I bought the last of his wood when he couldn't build anymore, and he just wanted me to make stuff out of it. So here we are. It's got some cool, like, little bug holes and cool marks and flaws in it. I really like it. And then the top is some dulcimer stash spruce. That's the stuff I got that was cut for dulcimers in the 1960s and never used. And it's some of my favorite spruce. The edges of the boards have UV light, have darkened the edges from where they sat on a shelf since the 60s. And so I like it when I can get some of that darker stripe down the middle. And Texas ebony for fretboard, head plate, and bridge, just to add a dark contrast to it. And this came from a retired banjo builder, so I'm really realizing other people's dreams right now, I guess. And some salvaged fur for the neck. So yeah, spruce and maple is always a good choice. Yeah, it's lovely. I really like that it's just got a simple look and a great sound, and it's ready to go. 668. Cheers.